These are the GPTs in the GPT store right now at the time I was shooting this video. Looking closer to this GPT image generator with over 6 million plus charts. And here is the best of top 5 GPTs to help you with productivity inside of ChatGPT you can't miss in 2024. And these GPT are insane by creating a custom design, video maker, and even a deep conversation with it.
Hey there!
At number 5 here on our list is language coach. Looking at the option we have at this GPT, can you teach me basic phrase in Spanish, and over right here, how do I ask description in Japanese, or type in the language you have to speak, and even if you're struggling with French grammar, bonjour, comment ça va, you simply click right here. GPT is going to help you within a couple of seconds. At number 4 right here is storyteller, and you can message storyteller to give you a story of a superhero that end up saving the universe. And you click right here and watch the power of this chatbot, and boom, that's amazing. And you can even start a comic book with this and post it on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even make money online for yourself right there. Now, if you don't even have an idea of creating a website, programming, or even becoming a code wizard, Grimoire helps you to do everything. So before we come back to number 3 on our list right here, kindly leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Hey JB, thanks for sharing this tutorial on GPTs. Once on Grimoire, you kindly click right here, make me a rain animation website and watch this Grimoire do his magic spell within a couple of minutes. And a quick one, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn off the notification bell, because the next video on hamster combat will be on speed. Now our rain animation website is ready. You simply go through them by adding JavaScript to generate the rain animation and HTML basic structure of the web page. That brings us to top 2 on our list, blog wizard. Creating a blog hasn't been easy from the scratch. So with the help of this AI tool, we are going to ask GPT to please give us an example of a blog outline. You click right here and boom, we now have an example of a blog / introduction and the outlines you can use for a blog. So with the help of this GPT, you can become a professional blog wizard. And the last but not the least, copywriting GPT marketing branding / ads. As a copywriter with this new GPT, this can make you more faster than ever. So what this GPT does, you can build a website in 5 minutes, and it can also give you an advertisement idea for a product. So let's build a website in 5 minutes by clicking right here, and with a simple step he just did. So let me know in the comment below if really any of these GPTs are really groundbreaking. This video is on the go.